In this video I am showing you how you can search for audio on Instagram. So firstly you have to open your Instagram app, and then what you can do is you can open your explore tab or search tab, and then what you can do is you have to tap on the search button in the top, and here you have to go to the audio tab, and then you can search the audio. So let's see, I search this audio. You can search anything. Let's see, I search this, and after that you can choose any of the song. Then you can tap on the save audio in the most bottom, and now it is saved. And to use it you can simply tap on the, if you want to use this audio you can simply tap on the use audio in the most bottom with this camera icon. Tap on the use audio, and then you can start recording the reels, and you can start recording the reels, and now you are done. So that's it, at how you can search for audio on Instagram. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get notifications of such new informative video. And also don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Have a good day.